Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add education on LinkedIn. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go and click on your profile picture, after that on your name, and as you can see here you will find like that education part. You have just to click on add education. And after that, you have to fill this form, the school where you studied, the degree, the field of study, when you started, when you ended or you expect to end, the grade, also the activities and societies that you are included on, like in your university or school, the description, the skills that you are like working on this university or school, and also if you have any pictures related to this. And after that you have just to click on save, and if you want to notify your network, you will have just to activate this first option, and if you don't want, you have just to turn it off. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and